I have this Liqui Moly engine flush solution here that basically pour it inside the engine compartment and let it run for 10 to 15 minutes on an idle and then flush it. I got few oils, cheap oils that I can actually put in there and run the car for a few minutes and then flush again and see if we can clean this car up. Alright guys, we're now inside the car. We're gonna try and let this idle for the next 15 minutes. And so alright guys, 15 minutes is up now. We are gonna race the car pretty soon. But first of all, we'll just make sure that our fuel plug here is off so that way we can have this thing breathing once we drain it out. As well, I'm gonna loosen the filter now. We don't have to worry about it from here. Plus, we can drain any oil that's stuck in the filter at this point. And bear in mind that the engine is fairly hot right now because we've been running it for about 15 minutes. So definitely the oil that's going to come out of here will be pretty hot. There we go. We're going to raise the car up now and then we're going to work on draining the oil on the bottom. Alright folks, time to drain the oil and see how bad this oil looking like after the treatment there. Let's crack this open. I like to do is I like to get an extension so that way I can easily control where the projectile is going here. I don't know if I'm blocking your view here guys, but here we go. You're gonna see how bad this oil is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Jeez, that is so dark. That is so bad. Wow. Crazy. I'll show you guys how bad this oil is. It's so dark, guys. That is so bad. Anyways. Ladies and gentlemen, time to flush the oil here. I have a 5W30, not the right oil for this car, but close enough. I don't want to spend an expensive amount of money on an actual oil. So in this case, we have regular Quaker State oil here that we're going to dump in here. I have 3 of them. I have another one over there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try and do one fill, and then we're going to run it for 15 minutes, and then we'll drain again. Depending on how bad it is still, we're going to do one more time, and then finally we'll put the proper oil in there. Alright guys, we are now again running the car for another 15 minutes, trying to let the oil kind of settle in there and splash all over the place inside the engine, and see if we can again clean it up, and then we'll again drain it one more time. Wow, it's crazy dark already just for the 15 minutes that we ran it. Interesting. Okay, moment of truth. This will be an interesting one. Let's see how bad it is. Just a 15-minute idle on the car and see how bad the oil is. That's insane, guys. Wow. That's not bad, at least. It's dark enough, but it's not super bad, I would say. There you go. It's a little controlled way to dump it. Just lower it in a little bit, guys, so you can show you compared to the way it was in the beginning. Wow, it's still dark, but again, that's still pretty dark considering. Haha. Hopefully that cleans up everything here, guys. That's for sure. Oh wow, just a 15 minutes of idle time, and that's how much gunk we got. That's insane. Anyhow, some quick comparison on our oil, guys. As you can see, the one on the left is the original oil that we have on the first flush. Basically, as you guys notice, it is quite darker than the second oil with the cheaper oil that we have flushed. So it's not so bad. As you can see, it's fairly clean for the most part, but for just 15 minutes of idle time, you see how dark it became. So the next step here really is that we're gonna try and see if we can fill this car up now with oil, and then we will fill it up with oil. I might do another flush just to make sure, because we have a few more oil there that you know, cheap oil that we can use basically, so we can might as well clean it up as much as we can. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Jetta is now back together. As you guys can see, it's pretty much idling nicely now. Basically here, put the oil now, brand new oil after the flushing of the engine with the Liqui Moly, and it's sounding good. I took it out, I took it into pretty much brought it to a test drive there and drove it around a little bit, and yeah, the car's actually driving nicely.